Click subscribe for update video every day.
Sony has been pushing high-resolution audio harder than almost any other manufacturer, and implementing it into an increasingly dense line of high-quality headphones for listeners worldwide. The MDR-1000x wireless noise-canceling headphones fit this business plan perfectly. They read the company's most technologically advanced headphones to date, and the latest in a long line of offerings to take direct aim at bose. Pairing excellent sound and comfort with top-flight noise cancellation, the MDR-1000x are a slam dunk and absolutely worth considering, even at a hefty $400 price point. A first glance at the MDR-1000x's packaging makes it easy to tell these are a pair of headphones for the business class. There's nothing flashy to get hung up on in unboxing, and very little to thwart quick opening for time-sensitive fingers. Once opened, the inner box holds a simple, dark brown hard case, which gently complements our review sample's taupe colorway, with the headphones folded gently inside. The MDR-1000x come with a long 3.5mm cable, a micro USB charging cable, and an airplane adapter for those long international flights. Setup instructions arrive in the form of an intuitive visual blueprint, relying on numbered, self-explanatory images that show you how to charge, pair, and use your new headphones. In a world full of thick instruction manuals, it's a refreshing change. The MDR-1000x are elegant and understated, with simple ear cups and a stainless steel headband as accent. Even the Sony logo is somewhat hidden, etched in a barely visible font just where the headband connects to the ear cups. Sony wants these headphones to sound awesome, even when wirelessly connected, and they absolutely do. The ear pads are cloaked in puffy leather that reminds you of Grandpa's big old Cadillac, and, combined with equally soft padding underneath the headband, an absolutely awesome suspension system, creates one of the most comfortable pairs of headphones we have ever had the pleasure of wearing. Even after many hours with glasses on, the MDR-1000x remained a sheer delight on our heads, never once approaching the nagging discomfort often associated with large over-ear headphones. You can thank their lightweight for their comfort, too. The MDR-1000x use high-quality materials and feel extremely sturdy, but at 9.7 ounces, they read lighter than many competitors. Beneath their business-like exterior, the MDR-1000x show off a myriad of technologies, including touch controls for play, pause, song skip, and volume adjustment, accomplished by swiping or tapping the outside